Hello friends, welcome to Codanova. In today's video we are going to start C++ language. So what is C++? C++ is a high-level programming language that combines the simplicity of C with advanced features like object-oriented programming. It is widely used to build games, applications, operating systems, and even modern technologies like artificial intelligence. The best part is, C++ is fast, powerful, and flexible, which makes it one of the best languages for beginners as well as professionals to learn. So let's get started. First of all, open the C++ software. Then click on the upper left corner, File. So in first line we will write here, #include iostream greater than. This line tells the computer that we want to use cout to display output, and cin to take input in our C++ program. Now in the second line we will write here, using namespace std. Using namespace std is a line in C++ that saves us time. It tells the computer to use the standard library so we can write cout and cin directly, without adding std, again and again. In the third line we will write here int main. Int main is the starting point of every C++ program. It tells the computer where the program begins to run. The curly brackets after int main show the starting and ending of our program's body. Whatever we write inside them is the actual code that runs. In C++, we use cin to give input to the computer, and we use cout to show output on the screen. A string in C++ means a set of characters or text, like words or sentences in a double quotation. We write text inside double quotation marks, so the computer knows it is a string, not code. We are using double less than symbol for cout. Indl in C++ is used to move the cursor to the next line. It's like pressing the Enter key after printing something. The semicolon in C++ is called a statement terminator. It tells the computer that our instruction is complete. Now, as we are writing a program, we write text inside double quotations. A string is not actually part of the code. It's just for us to understand. And through cout, the string we write will be shown on the screen. We are making programming very simple for you, so that you can easily learn it on our channel. If you have any problem, you can ask us in the comment box. And you can also give us new tasks like make the next program on this topic. Okay then, let's continue with our program. Now we will declare here, string name. Now we will write here cout. I already told you about any things like something to print on the screen we will write cout and for input cin, and just like that string we are in double quotation and semicolon in the end og instruction. And here we will write cin for giving input value. With the cin we will write here double greater than symbol. Here, we have used cin to give the name as an input value, so this program will ask the user to enter their name. In the result it will tell you that hello and with your name which you will be entering. Return 0 is written at the end of the main function in C++. It tells the computer that the program has finished successfully without any errors. Now press F11 to run this program. As you can see, our program has successfully run. And just like we gave the string earlier, welcome to Codanova. It is showing at the top. After that, this is your first C++ program. Enter your name. Now, as soon as you enter your name in it, it says, "Hello Jack, let's start learning C++ together." Friends, I hope you enjoy this video and learn it something new. Keep practicing, because programming gets easier step by step. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected with Codanova. Together, we'll make coding simple and fun. See you in the next video.